Megan here with WTI, and if you are concerned about the quality of furniture that you purchase online, I am here to put your mind at ease. I want to show you the beauty and the quality of these nightstands by HQZX. I love how functional they are. The drawers slide very easily in and out, which is important to me. They slide almost all the way. I'm going to say a little bit more than 3/4 of the way out, and they have a really decent depth to them, so you can fit a fair amount in these end tables. These are the end tables in white. They have a gorgeous gold accent, and I love the texturized front. Another great feature of them is the charger stand on the top. This is great, especially when you're using it for a nightstand, because we all need to charge our devices at night while we're sleeping. So this has 2 regular plugs and 2 USB plugs. You can charge 4 devices all at once, and I absolutely love that feature. I use it every single night. These nightstands are very easy to put together. It did not take my husband long at all, and actually he told me to mention that he was super impressed with the instructions that came with the end tables. And he's put a lot of furniture together, and he found these ones simple, easy to follow. Everything was there that he needed to use. I truly am impressed with the quality of these end tables. The drawers really slide easily in and out. They are functional and they are absolutely beautiful. And that's my point of view.